Garage Containment Mat User Guide. When you receive the product, you will find a set of 18 foam pieces for the small size containment mat, or 20 foam pieces for the large size containment mat, and one garage containment mat for your vehicle. First, make sure that the quantity is correct. Open the garage mat and insert the foam strips around all 4 sides. The placement and quantity should match the video demonstration. After inserting the foam strips, flip the waterproof mat over to the front side, ensuring that there are no holes on the 4 sides, creating a complete groove. Drive your vehicle onto the mat. Proceed with your car washing operation. The waterproof material is resistant to foam and water penetration. Its extra large size fits various car models, and the raised edges on all sides effectively prevents foam and water from spilling out, keeping your garage dry and clean. After washing your car, use a squeegee to remove any accumulated water on top of the mat, pushing it towards the garage exit. Once the garage containment is dry, fold it for storage. Its slim design makes it easy to store in a storage box or a corner of your garage, taking up minimal space.